I've started. So hello, good morning. So we want to start the second series of mathematics. So today we are going to look at multiplication of numbers. Okay.
Last time
last time we dealt with the addition of numbers, right? So today we'll be looking at multiplication of numbers. Okay.
Let's get started.
But before we go to that, I think we need to understand the multiplication of sign. So when we multiply sign, like when we say plus times plus. I think we dealt with that the last time, right?
Yeah, we have.
Gives us plus, right?
Yeah.
So plus times minus, just give a quick recap of that. Minus times plus.
Yeah.
So that's what minus.
Yeah.
And minus times minus.
It's gonna be plus.
It's gonna be plus, right?
And the one thing, if both of them are the same, if two signs are the same, it's gonna be plus. But if two signs are different, then it's gonna be minus.
Okay, good. So if the signs are different, it's gonna be minus.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is minus. When this one is plus and this is minus.
We're just retracing.
Minus, exactly. So that is what we dealt with the last part of what we did with the last time. Okay.
Yeah.
So we want to go to the next part, which is now putting these numbers together and multiplying them. That is putting the signs before the numbers and multiplying them. Like when we have minus 2 times minus 3. So what is going to be our answer? From here, you use the minus sign. And multiply the minus sign. And the answer is going to be plus.
The answer is gonna be the
plus.
If there's an odd number of minuses, then it's gonna be, the answer will have a plus.
Minus. That's 2 times 3. That's what, 6, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what he is saying is, if we have minus 3 times minus plus 2, for instance. So what we do here is to multiply these two minuses and these two. So when we multiply them, the final answer is going to be minus, right?
Yeah.
So but how do we get the minus? The fact is, we change this to what? Minus times minus, it becomes plus. So that is the 3.
Yeah.
Right?
And
then times.
And then times
minus times plus. So that's minus.
But I want to say.
2.
I want to say.
Just relax. I'm coming. So now, plus 3 times minus 2 is gonna be minus 6, right?
Yes.
Minus 6. So this is how we obtain this. But another way to go about this is to count the number of minuses.
That's what I was trying to say.
Okay. So that's a shortcut to what we are explaining now.
Yeah.
So count the number of minuses you have there. Since you have 3 minuses all together, and if the number of minus is even number, you know the final answer is going to be plus. But if the number of minuses is odd number, the final answer is going to be minus. So that is how we obtain this.
You could count how many minuses, and then it will either be minus or plus. And also another shortcut, you can just multiply the how many numbers.
Okay, so that's how we go about that. So let's look at another example. Minus plus minus 3 times minus minus plus 4. So the answer, the final answer to this is just count the number of minus 1, 2, 3, 4. You don't need to count the number of pluses, just the number of minus. And that's what you get. So if the number of minus you count is even, then it tells you that this is what the final answer is going to be plus. And if the number of minus is odd, it's going to be minus. Now you now use the 3 to multiply the 4, and that will give you 12. So this is the final answer.